Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing something super exciting, 5 tech products that have completely changed my life. Whether it's made my daily routine easier, boosted my productivity, or simply added more fun to my day, these gadgets are total game changers. So, let's jump right in. Product number 1. First up, the smartwatch. Honestly, I didn't realize how much I needed one until I got it. It's not just a watch, it's like having a personal assistant on your wrist. From tracking my fitness to keeping me updated on messages, calls, and calendar events, it's completely transformed the way I stay organized. I even use it for meditation and stress tracking. It's been a total lifesaver, especially on busy days. Product number 2. Next, we have noise-canceling headphones. These are a game changer when it comes to focusing. Whether I'm working in a busy cafe or just need some peace at home, these headphones block out all the background noise and let me focus. And let's not forget, they're perfect for relaxation too. Just put on some calming music or a podcast and you're in your own world. If you're someone who gets distracted easily, these are a must-have. Product number 3. Now, this one might seem simple, but it's honestly a lifesaver, the portable charger. We all know the panic that sets in when our phone is about to die, but with a portable charger, I never have to worry about being without power. Whether I'm traveling or just out running errands, this little gadget ensures I'm always charged and ready to go. It's one of those things that once you have it, you wonder how you ever lived without it. Product number 4. Next up is the smart speaker. Having a virtual assistant in your home has changed the way I manage tasks. From setting reminders to controlling smart home devices, playing music, and even getting news updates, this little device is always there to make my life easier. Plus, it's amazing for hands-free control. Whether I'm cooking or cleaning, I can just ask for the weather or my favorite playlist without lifting a finger. Product number 5. And finally, my e-reader. If you're a book lover like me, this device has completely changed the way I read. I can carry thousands of books in one small, portable device. Whether I'm traveling or just waiting for an appointment, I can read anytime, anywhere. Plus, no more heavy books to carry around. The ability to adjust font size, lighting, and even access a vast library at my fingertips has made it so much easier to get lost in a good book. So, there you have it. These are the 5 tech products that have totally changed my life. They've made my daily tasks more efficient, helped me stay organized, and made the little moments of life a lot more enjoyable. If you're thinking about getting any of these, trust me, you won't regret it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.